National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Liberty County until 8:30 this evening. At 6:37, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have already fallen, and additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Cleveland, Shepherd, North Cleveland, Tarkington Prairie, Rye, and Evergreen. Again, a flash flood warning in effect for northwestern Liberty County until 8:30 this evening. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this station for further updates on severe weather conditions.
Even though they are subject to all kinds of environmental and disease threats as well, just the sheer stress that comes with playing that role in the agricultural system.
Right, well, lay that out a little bit, right? Because, you describe bee colonies that are weakened by, travel and stress and all of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think the big concern is something that's called the varroa mite, really scary thing. You see it up front. It can really destroy whole colonies. There are viruses that go with this. And then there's just simply like the fact that bees are not meant to be moved hundreds, thousands of miles to help pollinate almond trees. That's not something they can really withstand. So in the most recent survey, I believe, beekeepers report losing something like almost 50% of their managed honeybee colonies. I mean, that's just the numbers who are dying, essentially, and then they need to replace. And that's what we have now. They die, we get more, and we keep using them over and over again.
This is a really good question. If all these bees are dying, where do we get more bees?
They keep breeding them, really. That is one positive thing about bees, that they can breed very quickly. And if you put enough money into it, you will do that. So if we have something like, actually, we know exactly how many honeybee colonies we have in America as of 2022. That's 3,800,015, according to the extremely detailed Census of Agriculture.
I love the 15.
Someone out there counting those, yeah.
No, totally. You make a comparison between that bee scare of the early 2000s and peak oil. Lay that out for us.
Yeah, things both happened around the same time. If you remember, like in mid-August, started hearing about colony collapse disorder. At the same time, that was kind of like when we saw oil prices getting into the triple digits for the first time. There was a real concern that we were going to max out on oil, which would be catastrophic for the global economy and other things. Fast forward to now, the world is producing more oil than ever has before. The U.S. is producing more oil than any country has ever. And that's simply a response